My name is Otti Uchechukwu. I'm from Enugu State, Nsukka to be precise. In my family, we are 7 in number. Well, I'm the second daughter. Yeah, second daughter. I am God-fearing. Yeah. I have a very soft heart, but I can be very stubborn. No, it's not what you're thinking. It's not that. No. I'm very respectful and obedient. I can only be stubborn when necessary. I mean, you cannot just come and snatch something that belongs to me and you just expect me to sit back and watch you. No. That's the kind of stubbornness I need. Yeah. Well, I love plenty colors, but my favorite color is red. Yeah, red. Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can. Very, very well. Yes. My favorite dish is fried rice. Yes. And why? Because I can cook it very well. What inspires my songwriting? God is my inspiration. Yes, because He's the one that gave me the gift of singing. He's the one that inspires me. All my songs are very wonderful, lovely, yes. But my favorite song among all my songs is The Reason. The Reason, yes. Because that song is very, very powerful. Many people that have listened to it are testifying about that song. And the way the song came is very extraordinary. Yes. Well, yes, I'm a costume designer and also a gospel singer. My costume work, I see it as a business. And my music, I see it as a gift that God gave to me in order to, as in a means of ministering to the world about God. Yes. I mean, music is not a business. As a musician, you should have another thing you're doing in order to earn money. Yes. It's a personal stuff. Yeah. We can maybe next time.
Who wouldn't want to marry?
I will marry, but God's time is the best. My ideal man, he must be God-fearing. He must be hardworking and very responsible. Yeah. Well, I'm a Sabbatarian. Yeah. I chose that church because I was born as a Sabbatarian. Yeah. As a young girl, you don't belong to any church until you're married. My hobbies: singing, of course, dancing, designing clothes, yes, and etc. I love singing. Singing always helps me with my voice. It's another way of doing rehearsal. Yes, it's another way of doing my rehearsal. Well, as a musician, you should know how to dance. I mean, you should know how to move your body whenever you're on stage, even during your musical video shoot. You should know how to dance. As for designing, I can make my dancers dresses and as well make my own. Yes. Yes, I'm the one that made it. Even the one I used for my video shoot, the reason I'm the one that made it as well. Well, at first, I want to thank all my fans for being there always for me, for their support and for everything. The love is so massive, as in, the love is too much. And I want to tell everybody pursuing his or her career not to give up, no matter what. Always try your best to get there. Don't say I will stop because nothing is working out for me. Because me, when I started, nothing worked out. At a point, I wanted to drop. I am encouraging you out there watching this. Whatever you're doing, just keep pushing. Push until something happens. I'm still your girl, Uchechukwu Otti. I love you all. Thank you very much.